Cardano is frequently regarded as the first of the next generation of cryptocurrency in the relatively young cryptocurrency world as an investment vehicle. While most cryptocurrencies have seen the volatility, bad press, and scandals that have become almost synonymous with cryptocurrency investing, Cardano aims to provide a more balanced and sustainable ecosystem for cryptocurrencies. The Financial and Investment Wisdom channel is all about making better financial decisions. If you're looking for financial literacy, growth investing, trading, or want to improve your finances, this could be a great one for you. What exactly is Cardano ADA? Charles Hoskinson, a mathematician and co-founder of Ethereum, founded Cardano. Cardano's vision, according to their website, is to create a blockchain platform for change makers, innovators, and visionaries, with the tools and technologies required to create a possibility for the many as well as the few and bring out positive global change. Cardano is a blockchain open source framework built in layers to run financial applications used by businesses, customers, and governments worldwide. It can be used to send and receive digital money, ensuring quick, direct, cryptographically secure transactions. The project has layered growth, allowing dedicated coders and developers to manage and update the blockchain with soft forks quickly. ADA represents the token. Individuals with small payments can use the Cardano blockchain to create smart contracts, decentralized apps, and protocols and send and receive funds instantly. The Cardano utility token ADA, like several other tokens, is used as a value switch. However, it differs from other cryptocurrencies in terms of functionality. Furthermore, users who participate in safety services are rewarded with ADA tokens. ADA holders, for example, use their coins to vote on protocol improvements or amendments, thereby participating in its development. Cardano is the first blockchain platform to be founded on peer-reviewed scientific research. Academic research guides the entire project, and all platform integrations and implementations are first researched, mathematically modeled, tested, and challenged before entering development. Cardano's cryptocurrency token is called ADA. This contrasts with the more familiar relationship between Bitcoin and Ethereum, in which the organization and token share the same name and are used interchangeably. Cardano and ADA have a relationship similar to Ripple, the organization, and XRP. ADA is named after Ada Lovelace, a 19th century mathematician and the world's first computer programmer. How does Cardano function? Cardano is frequently referred to as the next generation cryptocurrency. Cardano, created with the Haskell programming language, prides itself on being technologically realized through evidence-based science. The blockchain platform is based on the Ouroboros consensus protocol. According to Cardano, this enables the blockchain to address one of the fundamental challenges of earlier generation blockchain networks: high transaction fees due to increased transaction volumes. In addition to faster processing speeds, Cardano hopes to reduce energy costs by streamlining transaction processing. According to Cardano, their blockchain provides opportunities beyond the world of finance with which cryptocurrencies are typically associated. They see blockchain applications in education, retail, agriculture, government, and healthcare. What am I able to do with Cardano ADA? Cardano believes that the Cardano blockchain and the ADA cryptocurrency token will have applications in the following fields: education. Academic certifications are currently centralized and entirely controlled by the educational institution that issues them. Cardano allows students to decentralize these certifications, giving them control and ownership as the actual owners. Cardano believes that a blockchain solution would secure these certifications and enable students to quickly and easily share them with whomever they choose. Retail. Cardano sees itself as a valuable tool in the fight against the production and sale of counterfeit retail goods. Given the sophisticated nature of goods production and online sales, Cardano believes its blockchain will be a powerful solution to ensure the labeling of original goods being produced. The Cardano blockchain would include a tamper-proof solution that provides the authenticity of retail goods manufactured anywhere in the world. Finance. Anyone who has attempted to open a bank account in a traditional bank knows that it's time-consuming and can take days, if not weeks. Cardano believes that allowing users to store credentials and securely identify documents on their blockchain can reduce the friction and time required to complete simple tasks such as opening a new bank account. Investment. But what if you don't work in these fields or want to set up suck processes? Can you still be involved with Cardano and ADA? The answer is unequivocally yes. ADA serves as a store of value for the rest of us who aren't interested in financial regulation or product counterfeiting prevention. Like Bitcoin and all other cryptocurrency tokens, you could invest in Cardano by purchasing ADA and potentially reap the benefits of its value rises. How can I invest in Cardano? You can easily invest in Cardano through one of the cryptocurrency exchanges because it is a popular cryptocurrency listed on most of them. Crypto exchanges may have had a bad reputation at the start of the crypto era because they were unregulated, but they are now entirely safe. If you want to invest in Cardano, you could do so easily with eToro, one of the most popular platforms globally. Before investing in Cardano, here are some pointers. Number 1, obtain a cryptocurrency wallet. Unlike other major cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, Cardano has its cryptocurrency wallet for ADA. Users receive more than just a wallet with Daedalus. They also run a full blockchain node, giving them complete control over their funds and the ability to maintain accountability over the Cardano blockchain. Furthermore, Daedalus is the only wallet where ADA holders can participate in Cardano's stacking scheme. As previously stated, Cardano uses a POS blockchain protocol so token holders can earn incentives inside the Daedalus wallet for either delegating ADA or running a staking pool. If you don't want to use Daedalus, you can choose from various other digital or hardware wallets. Number 2, try to keep your initial investments as low as possible. After several weeks of intensive research, you may feel as if you know almost everything there is to know about crypto investing. You may see a lot, but that doesn't mean you should spend recklessly. Ambiguity is implicit in all investments, including Cardano investing. Digital currency is evolving, and you must proceed with caution. There are extremely high risks involved, which means you could either win big or lose all of your money. Spend small amounts at first to see how things go before increasing your spending. Number 3, maintain your patience. Unless you are drawn into day trading and are drawn in by the adrenaline of quick exchanges, it is prudent to consider holding your Cardano coins. This option is more risk-averse, especially for beginners who will want to familiarize themselves with the market. It makes it easier to anticipate significant value increases. With the high expectations for Cardano, any persistence for higher premiums may be worthwhile. Number 4, stay up to date. Making investment decisions based on the price of the coins is a common mistake made by inexperienced crypto investors. A cryptocurrency's valuation is only correct if the existing circulating supply is taken into account. If you're thinking about buying Cardano, try not to rely too heavily on the coin's current valuation, and instead think about how much of the overall market cap you're buying. Number 5, Cardano may be subject to tax laws. For tax purposes, the IRS issued a notice in 2014 stating that cryptocurrencies are property rather than cash. If you discarded or purchased ADA by cashing it out on an exchange or acquiring goods and services, and the realized value is greater than the price you bought the cryptocurrency, you will be required to pay taxes. You may have a taxable capital benefit from any short-term or long-term rate. Maintain close oversight of your cryptocurrency operations to ensure that you stay on the right side of the law. What is Cardano's next step? Cardano has outlined a 5-stage development roadmap for their future, named Byron, Shelley, Gauguin, Basho, and Voltaire. Byron's first stage has been completed, allowing users to purchase ADA when it first launched and store it on their Daedalus wallet. This was their initial growth phase, which propelled ADA international and established them as one of the top most popular cryptocurrencies in the world. Cardano is now simultaneously working on the Shelley and Gauguin phases of the roadmap. The Shelley stage introduced new features, such as a reward system, to increase community adoption and encourage more people to join the network. According to their claims, the work in this era will ensure the decentralization of the blockchain while also ensuring that it remains up to 100 times more decentralized than any other network. The Gauguin phase, which is also currently in development, introduces intelligent contracts to the Cardano blockchain. A brand new intelligent contract development language and execution platform will be presented as part of this. Cardano also intends to create new cryptocurrencies on its network, with the ultimate goal of attracting people from all walks of life to its platform to use its apps. The network will become completely self-sufficient and independent in the final stage of the Cardano roadmap, known as Voltaire. This stage of Cardano's roadmap is likely to take several years before it even begins, which is another way of saying that the only way to know how successful and mainstream Cardano will be is to join them on their journey. That is precisely what a large number of ADA investors are doing. Finally, Cardano has a good chance of gaining an equal share of the cryptocurrency market. As a result, it is an excellent option for traders and new entrants who have recently entered the cryptocurrency market. On the other hand, ADA remains one of the best options for traders looking to diversify their investments. We will teach you the fundamentals of financial terminology and how to get started. You'll also learn about cryptocurrency trading and investing, growth stocks, and how to be economically confident. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a single upload. For the time being, sayonara.